Good morning, Vintage Dolphins!
Good morning. How are you?
Happy Friday, everybody. We are here once again to share some announcements and some fun things. And Miss Mattis, why are we dressed this way?
I don't know.
I feel like I'm wearing a cape.
I know. I just feel like I have super strength.
Hmm.
I don't know.
Well, let's wait until the end of our announcement. Let's see why we might be dressed this way, Dolphins.
Sounds good.
All right.
I think we should open with not one, but two jokes of the day today. Why
Wow.
not? The first one. Where do spaghetti and sauce go to dance? Ba-dum-bum. The meatball.
The meatball. Of course, they go to the meatball.
And my second joke of the day is, what's faster, hot or cold? Hot, because everyone catches a cold.
Oh.
Aww.
Well, we hope that everybody is staying healthy here at Vintage Parkway. So, in fact, we have some classes that are staying so healthy and attending in such great percentage that we want to talk about our top attendance winners.
So for last week, we had a 4-day week because we had a holiday on Monday. But we had a lot of classes that had 100% attendance for the whole week. That means that every student was able to log in, complete some work, communicate with their teachers, and they learned the entire class, every single one, for all 4 days.
That's incredible.
I know. It's great. So what we're going to do this year is we're going to separate it out a little bit differently. So we're going to start talking about attendance a little more and recognizing some of these classes, but we're going to split it out into grade levels. We're going to put 2 grade levels together on each one. So first, for kindergarten and first grade last week, there were 2 classes that had 100% attendance. The first class is Miss Tobin's kindergarten class and Mrs. Charleston's first grade class. Congratulations!
Well done, kinder and first grade.
Yes. For our second and third grade, we had 2 classes as well, and they were both in third grade this last week. So congratulations to Mrs. Swan's third grade class and Miss Stolf's third grade class. Yay! And finally, for 4th and 5th grade, we had 1 class that had 100% attendance, and that is Mrs. Reynolds' 4th grade class.
And who was in second place in that 4th, 5th grade bunch? We don't know. We're going to have to find out soon. So everybody should strive for that 100% attendance, and then we will continue announcing our K1, our 2-3, and our 4-5 attendance winners. So that's going to be a real focus when we come back from our fall break.
Yep.
Is awesome attendance.
Great. Good job.
All right, so we have some splash tickets. Let's see who our winners are this week. In kindergarten, for having wonderful participation on Zoom and being a great part of the class, Idalene in Miss Timmons' class, and for being responsible, Marissa S. in Miss Rodriguez's class. Good job.
Great job. So in first grade, we have AJA in Miss Kerwin's first grade class for being responsible, and then Ethan S. in Miss Kelly's first grade class for being an awesome participator on Zoom.
Great job, first grade. In second grade, Ashley F. in Miss Cobold's class for reading fluently and expressively, and Annabelle P. for always being ready and attentive every morning in Miss Picasso's class. Good job.
Wow, let's see who we have in third grade. In third grade, in Mrs. McCance's class, we have Sophia R. for persevering. That means always doing your best, even when things are hard. And in Miss Swan's third grade class, Jada R. for being responsible.
Nice job, third grade. Okay, in fourth grade, we have Charlotte C. in Miss Rinder's class for being positive, and Eileen G. in Miss Ulrichson's for staying on top of all your assignments.
And in fifth grade, this is really, really interesting, and I'm super proud of both of them. In Mrs. Favolaro's class, we have Aiden P. for being responsible, and Aiden P. for being responsible.
How crazy is that? That's
Wow.
so random, Miss Mattis. I would even call that a super coincidence.
A super coincidence?
Oh.
Oh.
Well, everybody, you've probably figured it out by now. Next Friday, the 25th of September, is Superhero Theme Day at Vintage. So please come to your Zoom prepared to defend Gotham City, or with your best American patriotism, or with whatever super talents that you want to show your teachers that day. We're going to have an amazing, restful, healthy 2-week fall break after that theme day on Friday the 25th, and we're all going to come back to school refreshed in October. We will see everybody back on Monday, October 12th after fall break. We will see you all back here on YouTube Friday of that week with some more splash tickets and some more fun here at Vintage Parkway. Have a wonderful weekend. Get ready for your last week before fall break. And Superhero Day next Friday the 25th.
Can't wait. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.